Now that you have an account, here are some key points about how to navigate our virtual labs to help ensure you have a great experience. Getting started. Be sure to use a Google Chrome browser. This is the supported browser and works best with our environment. Make sure to allow yourself enough time to complete the lab. Most of our labs are 90 minutes long, but can usually be done in less time. Our labs are designed to be done in one session, so you can get the best feel for the skills contained in each lab. You can't pause the environment by design. However, you can do the labs as many times as you like for the entire access period. Every time you start a lab, you get a fresh environment and the steps need to be done front to back to ensure the labs work. If you skip to section further in the lab without completing the previous sections, you will not get the needed outcomes. The environment is HTML5, which means you can make either the left or right-hand pane bigger or smaller by moving the divider in the middle of the screen. Take a few minutes to review the Common Problems part of the Before You Begin section in the left-hand pane. Starting the environment. Prior to starting the environment for the first time, you should take a few minutes to read through the lab sections. This will help familiarize you with what is being taught in the lab. You can navigate through the sections of the lab by using the navigation arrow at the bottom of each section. You can also get to any section of the lab by clicking the hamburger icon in the top left of the left-hand navigation pane. At the beginning of every lab, you will see a Start button in the right-hand pane. Once you click this button, we instantly begin building your virtual environment with the needed virtual machines. Once the environment is ready, the right-hand pane will turn from a gray color background to a white one, and the virtual machines will be accessible. Navigating the environment. InfoSec labs are designed to have each section done in order, each time the environment is started. The step-by-step directions in the left-hand pane will tell you exactly what you need to do, as well as the needed usernames and passwords to get into the needed virtual machines. Many of our labs also contain Capture the Flag challenge questions. These questions are designed to confirm you are at the right spot at the right time and that you can replicate a skill you just learned. The answers to the challenge questions can be found in the various virtual machines in the environment, and if you are doing the steps correctly, they will tell you where you can find the answer to the challenge question. Each time you answer a challenge question, the system automatically takes a screenshot of the desktop of the virtual machine where the answer resides. The screenshot is then logged into a dashboard for your instructor to view. This shows your instructor that you were doing the lab correctly and were at the correct spot in the lab at the correct time. Once at least one challenge question is captured, a performance report will be available to you. You can download this performance report from the home screen by clicking the Performance Report button. Once you get to the end of the lab and have completed all the steps properly, the instructions will tell you to click the Stop button. Clicking this button shuts down the environment and updates your performance report.